YouView recording playback issues can be incredibly frustrating when you're trying to watch your favorite shows. Understanding what's happening and knowing immediate fixes can save you hours of troubleshooting. YouView playback problems typically show up in 5 main ways. You might see error messages saying unable to play recording or file corrupted. Sometimes playback starts but freezes within minutes. Audio and video can fall out of sync, or recordings appear complete but won't play past certain points. Understanding the root causes helps you apply the right fixes. The most common problems stem from 5 main areas that we can identify and address. Hard drive issues are the leading cause of playback problems. Your YouView box contains spinning disk platters with tracks and sectors that can develop mechanical failures or bad sectors over time. Signal interference from poor aerial connections corrupts recordings as they're being made. You need at least 80% signal quality for reliable recording. Now let's look at 4 immediate fixes you can try right now to resolve most YouView playback issues. These simple steps solve about 70% of problems. The first fix is a soft reset. Hold the standby button for exactly 10 seconds while the box is powered on. This clears temporary software glitches that cause playback errors. Storage management is critical. When your YouView box is over 80% full, it struggles to write new recordings properly. Delete old recordings to maintain at least 20% free space. These immediate fixes resolve most YouView playback issues quickly. Try them in order, and you'll likely get your recordings playing again without needing advanced troubleshooting or professional help. When basic fixes don't resolve YouView recording issues, advanced troubleshooting steps become necessary. We'll explore comprehensive solutions and prevention strategies to keep your system running smoothly. The first advanced step is accessing the maintenance menu through Settings, then Device Management. This allows you to run diagnostic tools that can identify and fix storage problems. If disk errors persist after running diagnostics, professional hard drive replacement may be necessary. This is especially common in older YouView boxes where mechanical drives begin to fail. Another advanced solution is performing a factory reset. However, this requires careful preparation, including backing up important recordings to external storage before proceeding. Firmware updates are crucial for system stability. Enable automatic updates in System Settings, or manually update through Settings, System Information, then Software Update. Prevention is key to avoiding future recording problems. A systematic maintenance schedule can prevent up to 60% of common issues. Finally, know when to seek professional help. Contact YouView support or qualified technicians when multiple troubleshooting attempts fail, hardware diagnostics indicate drive failure, or recurring issues significantly affect your daily viewing experience. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies can resolve 70% of YouView recording issues and significantly reduce the likelihood of future problems.